So my name is Marell, and I'm a researcher at the Forest Ecosystem Research Unit at Irstea in Venezuela. And Irstea is a research organization that stands for the National Research Institute for Science and Technology. And we are carrying out mainly applied research, and I'm a particular researcher studying the effects of large herbivores on vegetation dynamics, including forest regeneration. By mitigation means that we try to prevent damages and also to provide or to enhance the capacity of the forest to be more resilient and resist against the damages. Well, uncertainties, I think that the issue of forest and wildlife management, it's a lot about human relations and human behavior, and it's the uncertainties is about how we can change and to propose changes and how the people will react and respond to that. And because you are dealing with humans, you cannot always foresee what will happen. I'm working a lot with the wildlife, and we have a biological model. Sometimes we can understand how the model is functioning, but we are not expertise in how in human behavior, and I would say that the uncertainties are there, and sometimes I have a feeling that we would need professionals from another discipline that is better in handling and conflicts and human behavior, such as facilitators and those that are specialized in communication and solving conflicts among people, and sometimes we don't have access to that. We need it, but we don't have access. Well, for me, successful risk management or wildlife management, it's based on an adaptive approach where you learn by your lessons, and you have a framework where you can you're observing things, you're sharing knowledge, and then you learn by your mistakes, and sometimes you learn also by good examples that you're doing. And the objective is not completely to be able to have a system where you have a zero tolerance. It's your management should aim at the capacity of the forest to absorb damage in some kind of way, and to be resilient and resistant. There are always some damage and impact on the forest that it's tolerated by different stakeholders. Well, the added value, I think it's about sharing expertise in different countries, whether it be among researchers or practitioners, that could be managers, forest managers, hunters. But I think also that we need to share expertise among policy and decision makers. And a common thing could be case studies in different countries, from which we can learn, not case studies in the way that they are not to take as a copy and to copy into another country, but to see that, well, the problem can be solved with another solution, and then each country has to find out what is the best solution for me. So I think that the risk facilities, it's about opening up the eyes a little bit of different stakeholders about different options.